Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. In this video, I will be showing you the latest tips and tricks of WhatsApp. So without further wasting more time, let's check that out. Okay guys, to get started, the first feature in the list is to message to your own number. To do that, what you have to do is just copy and paste this link and paste it in your Chrome browser or any other browser. So this link I will share it to you in the description. You can use that. So this is just an API call wherein like you can input your number. So you just need to copy and paste it, and like you will see something called phone equal to just give your number. So once you give your number, so it will show something like open in WhatsApp. So like this, you can just click on it and it will open up in your WhatsApp. So here you will be able to see your number and you can start messaging there. So this comes in handy if you want to share some messages or store some messages or meeting notes here. So it will just display in your along with your normal chats. So moving to the next feature in the list is to remove the media visibility. So this comes in handy if you have a lot of groups and people keeps on sending good morning or good night or random images in that group, and you don't want to show them in the gallery. So you can simply go to the group and you will see an option called media visibility, and by default it will be turned to yes. You can simply click on no so that none of those images will show up in your gallery. So moving to another interesting or cool trick you can try to send messages to someone in WhatsApp without actually coming online. So for this you can use the Google Assistant. Simply open up your Google Assistant and say send message to this person on WhatsApp, and simply craft your message and click send. Here you go, your message will be sent to that particular person without actually you coming online or enabling the last scene. So another cool feature which I like to bring about is like if you want to use WhatsApp in two numbers, you don't have to rely on any other third party apps like Parallel Space or Dual Space, which consumes a lot of battery. So you can simply install the WhatsApp business application and just set up your WhatsApp and this WhatsApp on your other number. So it won't consume much of the battery like other third party applications. So moving to the last one in the list is to send long WhatsApp status. So by default it will allow you to send only 30 seconds video. So if you want to send a 2-minute video or more, what you have to do is like first select the video and just take the first 30 seconds and then send it. So next time open up the same video and take from 31 to 60 seconds. So in this way you can get a continuous flow of that video. So if you are selecting the first 15 seconds, make sure that you send it, and next time you come back and send that particular video, select from 16, not from 15. So there but if you do that, like you will get continuity like 0 to 15 and then like 16 to 30. So in this way you will get a continuous flow when you send in WhatsApp status. So okay guys, that's it for the video. If you find the video useful, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos. So until next time we meet, bye bye.